Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to register a trademark or brand name in Tamil Nadu. The link provided below here will help you in reaching this site. Wikiprocedure.com and their page Tamil Nadu register trademark or brand name. Here we have provided the procedure, required documents, office locations and contacts, fees, eligibility, validity, processing time and instructions which will be useful for an applicant to complete this procedure. In this video today, we are going to show you few websites which will be helpful for a person to register his trademark. So we have provided them as links under wikiprocedure.com site at the respective page for your convenience. Let us get into the presentation. List of items covered in this session. Need to register a trademark, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, online resources, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, other information. Need to register a trademark or a brand name. Trademark is a applied symbol from the government for the product or the service applied by the company to protect their goodwill. So when we buy a product in a shop, we used to find a mark within a circle says R, which tells us this trademark has been registered by the company with the authorities. Why should a brand should be registered? First reason is the another company which wanted to take advantage of their name which is already in the market can be avoided, and there should not be any competency between the same name can arise unaware of this one existing. So the government used to publish the trademark which is registered with them, so that another company which wanted to take the same design or the logo or the kind of colors or the symbols cannot be given to another company. So the registering a trademark will give the uniqueness for a company for its products or services. It protects your hard-earned goodwill and others from cashing on your goodwill in the business. It protects your name or brand name from being used in the same or similar fashion by any other business firm. It gives product a status of branded goods. The exclusive right to the use of the trademark and the obtained relief in respect of infringement may be misused by others of the trademark for the same product. A trademark or a brand name is a visual symbol which may be a word, signature, name, device, label, numerals or combination of colors used by one. The legal requirements to register a trademark under the Act are: the selected mark should be capable of being represented graphically, that is in the paper form. It should be capable of distinguishing the goods or service of one undertaking from those of the others. It should be used for proposed to be used mark in relation to the goods or services for the purpose of indicating, making it visible to the buyers or the users, or so as to indicate a connection with the course of trade between the goods or services, and some person have the right to use the mark with or without identity of that person. Documents required: power of attorney signed by the applicant in case of the corporate body or by the director or legal representative of the company. Graphical representation, as I told, should be submitted to the authorities for the design which they are proposing. How to apply? The first step to register a trademark is to specify the categories, the type under which you would like to register a trademark. Class 1 to 34 deals with goods like shoe, phone, telephone, flask, something like that, while classes 35 to 45 deals with services like delivery service, courier service, security service, those things. Word and logo trademarks have to be filled separately. Even though we are going to use the form, the class 10 will have separate place for the graphic and the logo representation. You will need to sign a power of attorney to authorize your lawyer in order to work as your agent. A trademark can be filled by an individual, but it is always advisable to take the help of the lawyer who knows much better than what we know. A trademark search is optional but allows you to go through the process smoothly, because if you at loss, if the government rejects, it is already registered, then your time and money wasted can be redeemed. How to apply? The lawyer will file your trademark application with the trademark office and send you the receipt of the receipt. After a few days, the lawyer will send you the original representation sheet along with the trademark, so that you can use TM with your logo. Once your trademark is approved, it is published in the trademark journal from the government. Office location and contact information provided in the link. I will show you just a few in a minute. For filing new application, there are prescribed forms depending on the nature of application, such as form TM1, TM2, TM3, TM8, TM51, etc. You could also file online through the following link. Those two links are the central government website, which will help an individual to file online. So this is the link which will open this site where you can go for online filing of trademark. And there is another contact page which will help an individual to know the address of the person to whom they have to directly visit. All the websites which are shown now are all useful for completing the procedure, so we have provided them as link in appropriate places to save your time. Eligibility: trademark can be filed either by the company, hence owned by the company and its shareholders, or by the founder. He will then license to the company. Validity: the term of registration of trademark is 10 years. 10 years is valid, but may be renewed subject to the payment of the prescribed fees in accordance with the provision of the Trademark Act 1999. An application for renewal of trademark can be filled within 6 months from the expiry of the last registration of trademark. Online resources, as I shown you, those sites will be helpful for completing the procedure through online. Fees: rupees 3,500 per mark per class. Lawyers' fees will be 1,000 to 3,000 depending on the experience per class. Rupees 500 for search of trademark per class. Processing time: it takes 18 to 24 months to receive the trademark. Offices and contacts: Intellectual Property India, SM Road, Mumbai, and Deputy Control of Patents and Design Patent Office, Baudik Sampada Bhavan, GST Road, Guindy. Both offices will be helpful for a person to directly involve in this registered trademark. The detail for address provided here in this link will help you to get the address in precise. Other information: it is advisable to conduct a trademark search to avoid loss of time and loss of money for the relevant classes before filling an application to register a trademark, in order to make sure that there is no identical or similar trademark already registered or for which an application for registration has been submitted and it is pending. Generally, one has filed an application pending registration can use TM, as I said, trademark designation, with a mark to alert the public the procedure is started and he is still waiting for the sanction from the government. Once it is approved, he can use the or with circle in order to explain that the trademark has been registered. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to register a trademark brand name in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.